Imagine a star so fierce it defies death itself, a cosmic enigma that exploded centuries ago yet still lingers, glowing faintly in the vastness of space. Known as Tycho's supernova remnant, this zombie star challenges everything we know about stellar life and death. Scientists never expected a star to survive a supernova, but here it is, rewriting the rules of the universe. What if some stars are truly immortal? The cosmos may be hiding secrets darker and more powerful than we ever imagined. A star that refuses to die. In 1572, a star exploded with such unimaginable power that its light outshone the entire Milky Way galaxy, capturing the attention of astronomers and terrifying rulers across the world. This event, known as Tycho's supernova, was so bright it cast shadows at night and dominated the sky for weeks. After this brilliant display, the star appeared to vanish completely, leaving behind only a fading glow. However, centuries later, modern scientists discovered something extraordinary. The star's remnant was not dead, it was still alive. Unlike most stars that die once and disappear, this white dwarf star had somehow cheated death. For millions of years before the explosion, it had been feeding off a neighboring star, siphoning its gas and energy like a cosmic parasite. When it finally exploded, the blast should have destroyed it entirely. Instead, a strange, glowing core survived, pulsing steadily in X-ray wavelengths. This stellar zombie defies all known laws of physics and challenges our understanding of how stars live and die. It's not just a dead star, it's a cosmic enigma, a ghostly presence in space that continues to rewrite the rules of stellar death and rebirth. Tycho's supernova remnant stands as a bold testament to the mysteries of the universe, reminding us that even in death, stars can surprise us. A supernova that should have erased it. On November 11, 1572, Danish astronomer Tycho Brahe witnessed an extraordinary event. A new, brilliant star appeared, shining so fiercely it cast shadows at midnight. This second sun dominated the sky for 2 years before vanishing, seemingly closing the case. However, modern telescopes revealed a far more complex story. The supernova's remnants include shrapnel moving at 5 million miles per hour, and a debris field spanning 23 light-years. At its center lies a faint flicker, a heartbeat, indicating the star's core didn't fully die but imploded partially. This star was a white dwarf, a dense, Earth-sized diamond that had spent its final years cannibalizing a neighboring star. When it consumed too much, it exploded. Unlike typical white dwarfs that vaporize completely, this one left behind a superheated cinder, a rogue fragment that survived a million-degree explosion. This survival defies expectations, kinda like finding a bulletproof ice cube in a nuclear blast. The mystery of how this core endured remains unsolved, challenging our understanding of stellar death and cosmic phenomena. A star that fed on the living. This star didn't just die, it murdered. Hidden within the wreckage of its 1572 explosion, astronomers uncovered a startling truth. This was no ordinary supernova, it was an assassination. For millions of years before its death, the white dwarf star had been siphoning gas and energy from a neighboring star, growing stronger by draining its victim like a cosmic vampire. Eventually, it gorged itself to the breaking point, triggering a catastrophic explosion that should have ended both stars. Yet, when the smoke cleared, the killer survived. Deep within the radioactive debris, the white dwarf's superheated core still pulsed, a glowing ember amid the graveyard it created. This wasn't merely a star, it was a celestial serial killer, defying every law of astrophysics by surviving its own violent death. The victim vanished, but the murderer remains alive and ticking. Most chillingly, this deadly cycle could happen again, posing a profound challenge to our understanding of stellar death and cosmic phenomena. The ghost in the machine. Back in 2004, NASA's Chandra X-ray telescope uncovered a cosmic mystery right at the heart of Tycho's supernova remnant. The debris field stretched an astonishing 23 light-years, with shattered star material hurtling through space at 5 million miles per hour. Yet at the center, there was this faint, glowing knot of energy that totally defied expectations. White dwarfs that explode as Type Ia supernovae are supposed to vanish completely, leaving no core behind. However, this remnant showed a phantom heartbeat, challenging pretty much everything scientists thought they knew. Theories to explain this phenomenon range from an exotic quantum state to a so-called strange star made of unknown matter. Some even speculate that the star wasn't truly dead but instead in a suspended state just waiting to resurrect. And over 450 years later, this star continues to defy the laws of physics, standing as a cosmic enigma that refuses explanation. It's not just a mystery, it's really a bold challenge to our understanding of the universe, silently watching from the depths of space. A star that shouldn't exist. The numbers don't add up. The equations fail. The textbooks are wrong. At the heart of this supernova remnant lies an object that violates every rule of stellar death. When a white dwarf explodes as a Type Ia supernova, it's supposed to be the most predictable explosion in the universe, a standard candle so reliable we use it to measure cosmic distances. But this one? It's the cosmic equivalent of a dead man walking. NASA's spectral analysis reveals traces of heavy elements that shouldn't be there. The energy signatures make no sense. The temperature gradients defy explanation. Some physicists whisper about quark matter, an exotic state where atoms cease to exist and fundamental particles rearrange themselves into something else. Others suggest we're looking at the first evidence of a quantum singularity forming without collapsing into a black hole. One terrifying theory? This isn't a remnant at all. It's something new, something we've never seen before, and it's rewriting astrophysics in real time. The countdown to Armageddon. The most chilling discovery from the Chandra data is not just what the star did, but what it might do next. Hidden within the data is a faint, undeniable pulse. Not the steady beat of a neutron star nor random cooling debris fluctuations, but a slow, rhythmic throb resembling a heart restarting. Models indicate the surviving core remains dangerously unstable and could be heading toward an unprecedented event, a second explosion. This would not be a typical supernova but something stranger. A zombie burst emitting pure gamma radiation, signaling a rebirth into a completely new state of matter. The worst-case scenario involves the formation of a miniature black hole, which could start consuming the surrounding nebula. While astronomers have observed stars dying and being born, witnessing a star resurrecting would be unprecedented. The astronomical community is anxiously awaiting this star's next move, as it promises to reveal how many times a star can truly die and what extraordinary phenomena might arise from such cosmic rebirths. The ultimate cosmic paradox. This star didn't just break the rules, it tore up the rulebook and set it on fire. While most of the universe follows predictable cycles of life and death, this one said, no. It survived annihilation. It laughed at physics. And now, it's forcing us to ask an even more terrifying question. What else have we gotten wrong? If a star can cheat death, what other cosmic laws are just suggestions? Could black holes have escape routes? Is dark energy not as constant as we thought? Could entire galaxies be hiding in dimensions we can't see? This isn't just about one rebellious star, it's about everything we think we know. And here's where it gets personal. If the universe isn't as fixed as we believed, then neither are your limits. That dream you think is impossible, that goal that feels out of reach, the universe itself is proving that rules are made to be broken. So while scientists keep hunting for answers, here's your challenge. What will you defy today? Drop your answer below and smash that like button if you're ready to rewrite your rules. Because if a star can survive its own destruction, what's your excuse? Thanks for exploring the mystery of the star that cannot be killed with space facts. If you're fascinated by cosmic wonders and want to keep uncovering the universe's secrets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got your own theories about this stellar survivor? Drop a comment below, we love hearing your wildest space ideas. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.